What's up, guys? I got another order in from APMEX today. Another quick shipment by them. I'm really impressed by these guys. Very quick on everything I've ordered from them. Let's just get into it. I don't got much time. The wife's upstairs being a wife, which is a good thing. But I got the honey-do list about a mile long. So let's see what we got in here. I also went and bought something else yesterday. I'll show you guys. I figured I buy the silver to preserve, my wealth one day down the road. I buy guns to protect my silver and myself. I needed something to protect my guns. So, but anyway, invoice. All my airtights again. I think I got, should be 8 airtights there. Silver Eagles. In this order, I think I put in the order for 8 Silver Eagles. That's what the airtights are for. So I should get 8 of them. Then I got some bars, 4 bars. I haven't got any of the APMEX bars, so I put in for 4 of them. Pretty nice looking bars. So, 4 APMEX bars and 8 of the ladies. So that was my unboxing for today. Now, let me take my camera quick, show you guys what I got. I was kind of excited about this. Winchester 24 gun safe. Picked it up at Tractor Supply. Pretty good price on it. It's hard to see. I wish I had more light in here. I'm sorry about that. But it came with this door organizer, which sold me on that. Got a place for. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna put lighting in the safe, but I got all my long rifles, all my ammo, AR mags, my knives, and up top there's a nice shelf. You can't see it because it's dark, but place to secure all my silver. I like this safe because there's actually 12 locking bolts. 1 on top, 1 on the bottom. Then you got 4 on the side, and 4 on the other side. So you have 12 1 1/4 inch locking bolts, which I love. It's fire rated at 1400 degrees for 30 minutes. It was 507 pounds. Alright guys, hope you liked the unboxing, hope you liked the safe. Talk to you later.